That's crazy,
And
bro.
crazy, and also with her story was, I remember now. With her story, they told her she's ashy. Did they shave her hair? Yes. Oh yes.
They shaved the hair off.
Yes, they shaved. They told her she didn't shave her hair, but they didn't shave it with the right comb.
That's not worth it, bro.
Yeah, they didn't shave with the right comb, and then it was patches afterwards. And she was like, "Yo, can I fix my hair?" Afterwards in the rooms with the girls, because they must live in rooms together. Can I get a proper shave for my head? It's crazy, bro. They made a
No, that's
patch.
mad
They didn't use the
disrespectful,
proper
bro.
things for black hair.
How?
And then also they told her she was ashy. Then she was using oil for her body because she needed must now not to look ashy. And then the girls were telling her that she's making oil marks and stuff all on the doors and things. And she's leaving her oil every time they touch the sticky. It was like yo. So they basically brought her confidence down, and then she was like, "Nah, I want to leave, bro. I don't want to be here."
Exactly, that's not worth it.
It's not worth
like,
it,
I don't
yeah.
care
Like-
about Tyra Banks and that.
And then the thing is, she thought Tyra Banks was on her side until the release of the like the series of the first season, and it made her look like a bad person, man.
yeah.
Where she thought all along Tyra Banks was a sister, like no black sister.
Yeah, trying
on
to
the
help
side
out
and
them.
trying to help her, but it made her look like she was
Crazy.
crazy. Yeah,
I mean, the picture makes
like,
it looks crazy.
It made it look like they say, confidence was arrogance. So it made it look more arrogant.
and they like brought it down.
basically it reflected bad on her.
That's crazy,
So that's
bro.
her story.